Hello, my name is Miro Lippmann
and I'm a building contractor from Freiburg. I'm mainly concerned with the thermal restoration of old buildings, and today I'd like to show you how my thermal imager Testo 870 helps me with it. Because of their shape, the corners of badly insulated houses are always cold bridges and can only be remedied by installing exterior insulation. As expected, we have a cold bridge here in the radiator recess. We can see this clearly from the fact that the cold air is entering through the joints in the wooden paneling. But we can deal with this quite easily by installing aluminium laminated PU insulation, which quickly gives us a considerable improvement of the insulation value. In buildings of this age, of course, the concrete components which are integrated into the brickwork and are in contact with the outer wall always represent a cold bridge. We can only remedy these by installing exterior insulation. We can see a cold bridge here in the region of the window frame. This has to do with the way the window is embedded in the brickwork. This definitely needs to be checked. You can clearly see that the outside cellar door we have here doesn't seal properly. This of course means an increased heat loss, and in this case I would recommend replacing the door. Here we can again see the thinner walls around the radiator recess and the heat loss they are causing. Apart from this, we also have windows which are in need of restoration and should be replaced. Using my thermal imager, I have been able to identify the weak spots in the building quickly and easily, and I can now make a realistic quote for my customer's thermal restoration work.